Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to delete your Facebook page step by step. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and drop a like. It really helps. Alright, let's get started. If you've decided you no longer need your Facebook page, I'll guide you through the process of deleting it. First, switch to the page you want to delete. To do this, open the Facebook menu by tapping the menu button. It might be in the bottom right or top right of your screen. Once you're there, scroll down and tap Pages. Now, select the page you want to remove. Once you've switched to that page, tap the menu button again and then select the settings icon. It looks like a gear in the top right corner. Now, in the search settings bar, type Delete. This makes it super easy to find the delete option. You'll now see the option to delete your page. Tap on it and Facebook will give you two choices. Deactivate if you want a temporary break. Delete permanently if you're sure you want to remove it for good. Before confirming, make sure to save anything important, like messages, posts, or media, because once deleted, you won't be able to recover them. If you're sure, tap Continue, follow the prompts, and enter your Facebook password to confirm. And that's it. Your page is now scheduled for deletion. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, Amoy, and I'll see you in the next one.